What are you barking at? What is it, Moo? Huh? What is it? It's dark in this room. What are you doing? Where are you going? Moo Moo. Hello. What you doing? Hmm? Yeah. It's a baby. Yeah. That's a Moo Moo. That's a Moo Moo. And here comes Socks. Be nice. Be nice. Hey, Socks. Just Socks. Yeah. Yeah, what a pretty kitty. Scratch, scratch, scratch. Oh, here comes Cindy. There goes Cindy. Hi, Moo. This a baby. Yes, this a baby. This a good boy. Yeah. It's a good boy.
But you have to make it 80. And he started laughing or whatever. And I was like, I said, we have to make it 80. I said, I need $1. He's like, and he was like, who are you going to get $1 from? And I said, you? And he said, and he started laughing. I said, Grenade, seriously, we have to make this $80. So I need to get $1. Are you recording me?
That was hateful. You're grounded.
No.
You're grounded.
I didn't mean it.
I'll break that finger off.
I need that finger.
Mm-hmm.
I didn't get to touch Terry's face.
Oh, gross. Make me barf.
Beautiful lips.
Oh, Lord.
Yes, that's what
What is she doing?
Looking for something to eat. Mama, say hey to the camera.
No. That was pitiful.
She looks so thrilled.
Where is this at?
What is it? I don't know. I just don't know. Right. Why am I so hyper? What happened to the shit? Mother, I love you. Sorry.
Zozo. Oh, her ass is in the way.
Keisha, Moesha, Moesha, Bobishka.
I don't know what's wrong with the screw. Hey, Zoe. Zozo. This is Zoe. Come here. Come here a minute. This is Zoe. Are you looking at the camera? It's a baby. This is a sweet baby. You see the camera? You don't like the camera, do you? Hmm? Okay. Goodbye, folks.